I could really go for a massage. My back's kinda sore and I could just really use some relaxation time. Cool, you'll massage me. Wait, what are you doing with that snake? No, absolutely not. Guys, snake massages are here and I am categorically not here for them. Hello and welcome back to IO. I'm your host Rebecca Felgate and today I'm feeling really weird about snakes. Specifically, snakes on my face. Side note, if you like IO, you watch our videos, they make you feel good but weird about snakes the way all videos should, then make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button. Also, click on that notification bell for daily videos in your inbox. Do it. Okay, we need to talk about the snake massage. There's a time and a place for a snake. I'm a Slytherin, I get it, sure, go snake. But when it comes to a massage, that is not the time, nor the place, for a slithery friend. Oh no. Insider Magazine sent a journalist along to report on one of these Slitherfests, and they posted a whole 3-minute video about it. Now this video is in the process of being posted on all of the social medias, it's going viral, and a lot of people are feeling very weird about it. In the video, reporter Abby heads over to the Wholeness Center at Valley Cottage, New York. She goes for an afternoon of snaky delight. Here she meets Serpentessa the masseuse, but she prefers to go by the title Snake Priestess. Cool. Serpentessa has been doing snake massages for 15 years and has 10 pet boa constrictors. Now she points out that these snakes are not venomous, although boa constrictors do squeeze their prey to death and then eat them. Although Serpentessa says that her snakes are domesticated and she's in the room of the massage at all times. Makes me feel so much better. Nah. Basically, what seems to happen in the massage is that you're loaded up with 4 snakes that slither up and down your body. They do this at the guidance of Serpentessa. The boa constrictors traditionally do enjoy sliding around warm things, so they seem pretty chill with it. I, however, would not be chill with it. Snake on my face. No. The origin of this snake massage comes from Indonesia and India. Now Serpentessa says that the massage tones and stimulates the vagus nerve, releasing endorphins and oxytocin. So essentially it's supposed to make you happy. But wait, can we circle back to the toning of the vagus nerve? Can you tone a nerve? Is that a thing? I'm guessing if a snake massage can be a thing, then anything can be a thing. Journalist Abby was laughing as the massage took place. She seemed to have a good time, saying it felt like a giant hug. A giant snaky scaly hug. I don't know, what do you guys think to the snake massage? Would you get one? Would you pay good money to let snakes slither up and down your body? Let me know in the comments section down below. Before I go, I just want to read a couple of comments from a video I did earlier this week about the world's first successful penis transplant. Basically one snake to another really. Duke Nasty said, "Tip tip hooray, good one Rebecca." Thanks, Duke Nasty. I aim to please. Batman Fan Forever 08 said, "We all died back in 2012 and have been living in a computer simulation ever since." Cool, I guess. Great. Calico's Animation wrote, "Hello, I love Rebecca and Charlotte, they're both good hosts. Thanks for posting so often. Babe, don't you even worry. We love it. We love it and we love you." So guys, that is all I have. What do you think to the comments in this video? Once again, do let me know whether or not you would enjoy a snake massage. Leave me a comment. I'm gonna read them. I once held a snake and that was enough for me. No snake on my face. I think if there's one takeaway from this video, it's that I don't want no snake on my face. Thanks guys for watching this video. I'm your host Rebecca Felgate. If you want to connect with me on social media, my links are in the description box down below. For now, make sure you leave a good thumbs up, share this video with a friend, stay away from the snake massage, and I will see you next time.